Hi guys, welcome to H2IVO Media Channel. Today I'm going to do a quick DIY video on how to install a driveshaft, which continue from previous video after I change a CV boot. By holding the driveshaft assembly with the inboard point up to prevent it from falling off to avoid damaging the differential oil seal or intermediate shaft nut seal. Install the inboard end of the driveshaft into the differential or the intermediate shaft. Make sure the driveshaft locks in the differential side gear top and the CV joins up and so bottoms in the differential or the intermediate shaft. Refill the transmission if the right driveshaft is installed. Put the knuckle inward and install the driveshaft outboard joint to the knuckle. Install the spindle nut to the spindle. Put the ball joint at the bottom of the knuckle into the lower arm. Install the low arm clutch nut to the knuckle and tighten it at 55 Nm. this is the first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the ring bell. Thank you. Insert a cotter pin through a hole in the lower arm cluster nut and bend a pin leg to lock it. Tighten the spindle nut with the 36mm socket torque wrench at 185 Nm. After tightening the spindle nut, use a dip punch to lock the spindle nut shoulder into the spindle. Install the damper fork. Install the damper fork bone and tighten it at 65 Nm. Install the damper pinch bone and tighten it at 44 Newton meters. Install the front wheel. Tighten the front wheel nut at 110 Newton meter. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the HS2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.